Most countries have a government. The United States has a government, a constitution, 50 states, 2 giant parties, endless campaigning, and enough checks and balances to make every decision feel like it passed through 3 meetings, 4 arguments, and at least 1 dramatic TV panel. But at its core, the US political system is built on one big idea. Don't let one person or one institution get too powerful. So instead of putting all the power in one place, the system splits it up, spreads it around, and then lets the different parts keep annoying each other on purpose. First, the legislative branch, Congress. Its job is to make laws, and because America enjoys making simple things complicated, Congress has 2 chambers, the House of Representatives and the Senate. So before a law becomes official, it usually has to survive debate, voting, more debate, more voting, and a national mood swing or 2. In theory, this slows down bad ideas. In practice, it also slows down basically everything. Next is the executive branch, led by the president. The president enforces laws, runs the federal executive branch, acts as head of state, and is also commander-in-chief of the armed forces, which sounds extremely powerful, and it is, but not unlimited. The president cannot just wake up and declare himself emperor. This is America. If anyone tried that, there would be lawsuits before lunch. Then, there is the judicial branch, led by the Supreme Court and the wider federal court system. Its job is to interpret laws and decide whether government actions follow the Constitution. So, while Congress writes laws and the president enforces them, the courts can step in and say, "Interesting idea." Unfortunately, the Constitution would like a word. This whole arrangement is called separation of powers. Fancy phrase, simple meaning. One branch makes laws, one branch enforces them, and one branch interprets them. And each branch can check the others. Congress can pass laws, but the president can veto them. Courts can review those laws. And Congress, because it refuses to be left out of the drama, has tools to push back too. The entire system is basically designed around institutional side-eye. But wait, America is not just one national government. It is also a federal system, which means power is shared between the federal government and the states. So Washington handles national matters, while states handle a lot of their own rules too. That is why the US can feel like one country and 50 mini political universes having a group project. So what is the US political system? It is a constitutional federal republic with democratic elections, 3 branches of government, and an obsession with making power compete with power, which can be messy, loud, and occasionally headache-inducing. But that mess is part of the design. The system is built not for speed, but for restraint. So if some political systems run like a single train on a fixed track, the US system is more like 3 trains, 2 referees, 50 station managers, and a very old instruction manual everyone still argues about. Like, share, and subscribe for more politics, history, facts, and quirks.